Okay, good morning, students. Today our topic of conversation is finding the mean from the frequency table. Okay, so as the topic of discussion is frequency table, so we have mean, median. Okay, so we will broadly talk about mean. Okay, so first thing first, the formula. Okay, so the formula of mean is total number of each value multiplied by frequency divided by total frequency. Okay, so what are these things? We are coming to that. Look into example number 7. Okay, so here it says total number of books and the frequency. Okay, so here each value is the total number of books, sequentially, and then we have the frequency. Okay, so in this case, like number of books 0 and the frequency is 1. Okay, it means 4 people borrowed here, and at number third number the number of books is 2. Okay, so the frequency is 4. It means that 4 people borrowed 2 books. Okay, people mean the students, so total 4 students borrowed 2 books. Okay, so this basically this is the question, this box is the question. Okay, so according to the formula, we know that mean means total number of, from here in this case, total number of books divided by total frequency. Okay, so what we have to do, we just need to calculate how many books we do have in total. Okay, we just need to calculate all the number of books together and divide it by frequency. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, so let's start the calculations. Okay, so this is the same box we are just redrawing. Okay, so number of books, frequency, number of books, frequency. Okay, so what new will be added here? We will just multiply number of books with frequency. Okay, so number of books, frequency will be the same from the first box. Okay, but in here now we will add the third column, which is of number of books multiplied by frequency. Okay, we will just multiply these two columns. Okay, so 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 2. So here in this way we will just multiply all of them. 2 into 4, 8, 3 into 5, 15, 4 into 7, 28, 550, and 6 into 3, 18. Okay, now we are done, like doing the calculation. Now the total frequency, just calculate all the frequencies we have, it's 32. Okay, now it's time to find out the total number of books. Just few minutes back we just look at here total number of books. Okay, so here with the number of books. Okay, and like book number 2 or book number 1, two people took this one book. Okay, and here the book number 2, here we have 2 books. Okay, it's borrowed by 4 peoples. But now we will just find out the total number of books. How? By multiplying the number of books with the frequency. Okay, these are the total number of books and these are the frequencies of these books. Okay, how many times those books have been borrowed by the students. Okay, so if we just multiply with number of books with the frequency, we will just understand the total number. We just find out the total number of books. Okay, so simple, 0 into 1, 0 into 1 into 2. Just do the normal multiplication between these two and columns of numbers. Okay, after the multiplication we will just get sets of values, sets of numbers, just add them. Okay, so here the total number of books is 121. Okay, so we got the total number of books. Now we just need to put the values in the formula. The formula of mean is total number of books divided by total frequency. This formula has been derived from here, total number of each value into frequency. Okay, this is the each values, I told you at the very beginning, this is the each values and these are the frequencies. Okay, only for this formula we just needed to write down the third column of this math, like number of books multiplied by frequency. We just needed to multiply these two columns, the numbers of these two columns. From there we got total number of books, which is 121. So just using the formula total number of books divided by total frequency. Here, as in the question we have books, that's why we are using the books word in the formula as well. Okay, otherwise the formula is total number of each value multiplied by frequency. Here each value means the number of books, this number of books, and the frequency of these books. Okay, so total number of books means the answer of this column, I mean the multiplication of these two columns means, and the addition of all of them, so which is 121. Okay, so total number of books divided by total frequency, so 121, and total frequency is 32, so 121 divided by 32. Okay, so mean is 3.78 up to 2 decimal places. Okay, so the mean number of books borrowed per pupil is 3.78. okay, about 3.78 books borrowed by the mean number of the mean number of books borrowed per pupil is 3.78. It means that per student or per pupil has borrowed about 3.78 numbers of books they have borrowed. Okay students, that is all for today's class. Thank you.